Hey Danny, I was just wondering, what would you consider to be the most practical tools to have around the house?
That's a tough one there, Lisa. Boy, if I had my way, I'd have every tool ever made, but most homeowners just really don't need that much. First of all, a basic toolkit is a must for all those little projects around the house. My suggestion for hand tools that should be included in that kit are a tape measure, hammer, a screwdriver with a number of interchangeable bits, regular pliers, as well as adjustable pliers and needle nose pliers, adjustable wrench, torpedo level, a small saw, cordless screwdriver, safety glasses, earplugs, dust mask, scissors, gloves, and the old reliable putty knife. Now the other tools that you might use a lot but won't fit in a toolbox include a good ladder, a combination battery charger and tire inflator, a fire extinguisher, and a couple good flashlights. One other thing I would consider is a water cutoff tool in case you ever have to cut the water off at the meter. Now plan on spending about $300 or $400 for these basic tools.